Samsung's foldable sales are on a downward trend, and honestly, it's not shocking. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 barely brought any meaningful upgrades, while the competition is out here launching slimmer, more impressive foldables. It's starting to feel like Samsung's innovation engine is idling, and if leaks are to be believed, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 won't be the game changer we've all been hoping for either. A fresh leak has surfaced, giving us a sneak peek into the display specs of Samsung's upcoming foldable flagship. And while there are some welcome improvements, there are also a few eyebrow-raising choices. The foldable market is evolving fast, not just in design, but also in how ridiculously thin these devices are becoming. Take the Oppo Find N5, for example. It's a mere 8.93mm thick when folded. That's crazy considering some regular smartphones aren't even that thin. Samsung seems to have taken notes and is reportedly working to shave off some bulk from the Z Fold 7. The latest rumor, via ET News, suggests that Samsung might ditch the traditional S Pen digitizer to save space. Instead of embedding a digitizer into the display, which takes up room, Samsung could introduce a new S Pen tech similar to the Apple Pencil, which relies on an electrical field. What does this mean? Well, say goodbye to the classic S Pen experience on the Fold lineup. But on the plus side, this could help Samsung shrink the Fold 7's thickness to under 10mm, a noticeable improvement over the 10.6mm Fold Special Edition. One area where Samsung is making a move is screen size. According to the leak, the internal display will grow to 8 inches, while the outer screen will expand to 6.5 inches. That could mean a better multitasking experience and a more usable external display. What's still unclear is whether Samsung will adjust the aspect ratio to make it feel more like the OnePlus Open or Pixel 9 Fold Pro. If they do, we could see a wider, more practical cover screen, something fans have been asking for. Unfortunately, when it comes to actual display quality, don't expect much of an upgrade. The Z Fold 7 is rumored to use the same M13 OLED panel found in the Z Fold 6, S24 Ultra, and upcoming S25 Ultra. That means no bump in brightness, contrast, or efficiency, just more of the same. The timing of this S Pen news is interesting because Samsung is already dealing with backlash over the Galaxy S25 Ultra's new S Pen lacking Bluetooth. The phone is apparently ready for Bluetooth features, but the pen itself doesn't have a battery to support smart functions. If Samsung is transitioning all of its S Pens to a new tech, this could explain why the S25 Ultra's S Pen is feeling a bit nerfed. Still, it's not a great look for a company that has championed stylus functionality for years. So, here's the deal. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 might be thinner and slightly bigger, but it's not shaping up to be a revolutionary upgrade. With competitors like Oppo and OnePlus stepping up their game, Samsung will need more than just minor tweaks to stay ahead. So, what do you think? Are you still excited about the Fold 7, or is it starting to feel like a letdown? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care.